Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. This was the winner of the shrimp poll I put up on my community tab a while ago now. I had some BeLeaf shrimp that I bought online, and I wanted to try some different recipes out with it. I got a pretty good size package. So this was the winner. This is the classic American shrimp cocktail, not presented in the classic American way, because I didn't want a great big bunch of it. But this BeLeaf shrimp, it's better than the kind I've had before. About 12, 13 years ago now, I was at the local health food store, and they had Sophie's Kitchen jumbo vegan shrimp on sale for $1. So I thought, well, I can't lose for $1, right? It was not edible. I hated it. It was gross. I even tried giving it to my dog Daisy, who would eat anything. She would be in the kitchen waiting for me to drop stuff and just vacuum it up. She ate a bunch of fresh, raw, unsweetened cranberries that rolled off the counter onto the floor before I could pick them up. She snatched them right up. I mean, she would eat anything but iceberg lettuce. She would suck the mayonnaise off the iceberg lettuce and spit the lettuce out on the floor. And this, she wouldn't eat this. She spit it out. So I never tried it again. But I like the BeLeaf bacon so much, I thought, well, let me give it another try. And it's not too bad. Especially with this super spicy, yummy sauce. Yeah, it's not bad at all. A different texture from Sophie's Kitchen. Better flavor. It actually has a flavor. I don't remember the Sophie's Kitchen having any flavor at all. Now, I never liked shrimp when I was a kid. My grandmother would make a special shrimp salad at Christmas. It was basically just a bunch of shredded lettuce and a mayonnaise dressing and a bunch of those little tiny canned shrimp. And I felt like that it was just full of bugs. I couldn't stand it. I would pick the shrimp out, and once I accidentally got a shrimp in my mouth, and it was horrible. I hated it. It was disgusting. I never could understand why people wanted to eat those little guys. But this isn't too bad. It's actually, I mean, it's not something that I'd eat a whole lot of, but it's not something that I would refuse if I was served some kind of vegan shrimp in some kind of a dish. So I will have the recipe on my blog, and I will link it in the description for the sauce. The sauce is really good. I mean, you could dip anything in the sauce, and it would be really tasty. One note, you want to use this or something very similar. No Tabasco, no Mexican hot sauce. That's what you want. So that recipe will be on my blog. I will link to the previous video. I always link to my video catalog and my community tab. So thank you for everyone who voted on the poll about the shrimp. This came in #1, and I really appreciate your participation. The participation. I haven't put up a poll in a while, but I haven't been getting much activity on the community tab either. So I will welcome your input, your comments, whatever you feel like doing on my community tab. The, let's see. Oh yeah. Uploads, regular uploads every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts on Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Occasional cat videos on Catterday. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I'll see you later, guys.